research tukiona ethi tukimwira atigire Maskonde handu ha mutigire ri athire kwi Jubilee gucindana na DCP riu arathire ara step down na ndana step down DCP kiama kia mũng'ethanĩro ara step down UDA niu nikio kiratwa mandu maugia ati ino ni hurumbarũ ndune tondu riri
ni miario ya mutongoria wa kiama kia DCP Rigathi Gachagua, miario iria yonekete kuguciriria maitho ma kiama kia Jubilee thutha wa kugwetanio ni Gachagua na kiama kia UDA, miario iria Fred Matiang'i onekete taraheana macokio.
We are a party of love. Sisi hatuwezi kuingia kwa hiyo mambo ya kutukana na watu, calling other parties names. That is not the standard of Jubilee. That is below the standard of Jubilee. It is not our business to describe other political parties. Our business is to work with them or argue with them or convince them so that we move forward together.
O maugete kiama kiu kina maundu manene ma gubangira a Kenya na gutire hindi gigacokanĩria na mutongoria o wothe amuke hau kurehe andu hamwe.
Tupelekane tu pole pole. Hao watu wengine wanajishughulisha na siasa hivi. Maybe kwa sababu some of them have never run government. We in Jubilee, that's why I'm saying it is now time for us to show the mettle we are made of, the experience we have, the maturity that we have as a political organization.
Augete mathina mamwe maria marabanga kung'ethanĩra namo ni moritũ maria magumeire ruhonge rwa githomo.
By January next year, we will have, it may actually be harrowing, but I suspect we could very easily have up to about 30% dropout from schools because of these policies. Asking schools, including sub-county schools, to pay 53,000 school fees. Reducing capitation by almost 10,000 shillings. And then requiring parents to pay X amount of money.
Ongereire ati hatire nganja ndariri ciothe ni ironania President Ruto ni aremereirwo ni Kenya, akiuga agirirwo kweherera aria mena umenyo mahotore Kenya mathina-ini.
And we know how to do it. So unajua kama kuna shida tunaambiana tu kwa upole, wewe ni ndugu yetu lakini umelemewa, hii sasa huwezi kufanya sasa. Lakini bahati nzuri sisi wa Kenya tumebarikiwa, tuko na watu wa kuifanya. Sasa wacha tufanye hii.
Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Jenga wa Wabui.